Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury cars, those breathtaking machines that only the wealthiest can afford. These cars are not just about getting from point A to point B. They're about prestige, performance, and the ultimate driving experience. So, buckle up as we explore some of the most exclusive, jaw-dropping luxury cars on the market. Let's get started. 1. Bugatti Chiron. First on our list is the iconic Bugatti Chiron. With a starting price of around $3 million, the Chiron is a masterpiece of engineering. This hypercar boasts an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces an astonishing 1,479 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in the world. But it's not just about speed. The Chiron combines luxury with performance, featuring an exquisite interior filled with the finest materials. 4. Those who can afford it. Owning a Chiron is like having a piece of automotive history. 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. Next up is the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, a car that takes bespoke luxury to a whole new level. Priced at around $13 million, the Sweptail was custom-built for a specific client, making it one of the most expensive new cars ever made. This stunning vehicle features a unique design with a sweeping silhouette and an interior that resembles a luxury yacht. Every detail, from the wood paneling to the leather seats, is tailored to the owner's specifications. The Sweptail isn't just a car, it's a personal statement of wealth and taste. 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. For those who crave exclusivity, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is a dream come true. With a price tag of around $17.5 million, this limited edition supercar is one of only 3 ever made. It features a unique open-top design and is powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine that delivers breathtaking performance. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with every detail designed to showcase Pagani's dedication to art and engineering. The Zonda HP Barchetta is not just a car, it's a work of art on wheels. 4. Lamborghini Veneno ***. Lamborghini is known for its bold designs and fierce performance, and the Veneno is no exception. With a price of approximately $4.5 million, this limited edition hypercar was created to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. The Veneno features a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 740 horsepower and can reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Its aggressive styling and aerodynamic shape make it one of the most recognizable cars on the road. For those lucky enough to own a Veneno, it's not just a car, it's a statement of power and prestige. 5. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. The Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio is a stunning tribute to classic Italian design. Priced at around $3 million, this limited edition model is based on the Ferrari 458 Spider and features a sleek, open-top design. With only 6 units produced, the Sergio is a rare gem in the automotive world. It's powered by a 4.5-liter V8 engine that delivers exhilarating performance and a thrilling driving experience. The combination of Ferrari's racing heritage and Pininfarina's design expertise makes this car a must-have for collectors. 6. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of performance and technology. With a starting price of around $3 million, the Valkyrie features a hybrid powertrain that combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with an electric motor, producing a total of 1,160 horsepower. The design is inspired by Formula One cars, with a focus on aerodynamics and lightweight materials. Inside, the Valkyrie offers a driver-focused cockpit that enhances the racing experience. For those who crave speed and performance, the Valkyrie is an extraordinary choice. 7. Koenigsegg Jesko. The Koenigsegg Jesko is another contender in the hypercar arena, with a price tag of around $3 million. This Swedish masterpiece is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that can produce up to 1,600 horsepower. The Jesko is designed for extreme performance, with advanced aerodynamics and a lightweight carbon fiber structure. It's built for speed, with a top speed estimated to exceed 300 miles per hour. The Jesko is a testament to Koenigsegg's commitment to innovation and engineering excellence. 8. McLaren Sabre. The McLaren Sabre is a limited edition supercar with a price tag of about $3.5 million. With only 15 units produced, this car is designed for ultimate performance and exclusivity. The Sabre features a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers 824 horsepower and can reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Its aerodynamic design and lightweight construction make it a true driver's car. For McLaren enthusiasts, the Sabre represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. 9. Bugatti Divo. Returning to Bugatti, the Divo is a stunning hypercar that combines luxury with performance. Priced at around $5.8 million, the Divo is designed to be more agile and track-focused than the Chiron. It features a quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces 1,479 horsepower, just like its sibling. However, the Divo's unique design and enhanced aerodynamics make it a standout. With only 40 units produced, owning a Divo is a mark of true automotive prestige. 10. Mercedes-Maybach GLS. If you're looking for luxury and comfort in an SUV, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS is the perfect choice. With a starting price of around $160,000, this ultra-luxurious SUV offers a spacious interior filled with high-end materials and advanced technology. The GLS features a twin-turbo V8 engine that provides a smooth and powerful driving experience. With its attention to detail and opulent features, the Maybach GLS is perfect for those who value luxury and comfort in their daily drives. Conclusion: there you have it. The most luxurious cars that only the richest can afford. From the breathtaking Bugatti Chiron to the exclusive Rolls-Royce Sweptail, these vehicles represent the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Whether it's speed, luxury, or cutting-edge technology, each of these cars has something unique to offer. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep dreaming big and enjoy the ride.